Getting this 100,000-pound Inslee excavator running again was only half the battle. Before it could begin its journey toward a full restoration, I had to solve an even bigger problem, making one of the largest machines I've ever worked on, small enough to legally haul down the highway. With the massive hydraulic cylinders already removed, every remaining step had to be carefully planned. The boom and stick weighed thousands of pounds, and every adjustment changed the machine's balance. Moving them too quickly or supporting them incorrectly could damage irreplaceable components that had survived since the 1960s. Slowly, I folded the excavator into its transport position, making precise adjustments, one movement at a time. Every pin, every pivot, and every hydraulic connection had to work together perfectly as decades-old steel moved for the first time in years. There was no room for shortcuts when dealing with machinery this heavy. For the first time, I can finally picture this historic excavator heading toward the workshop where its real restoration will begin. But none of that matters until one final challenge is complete. The next time this old giant moves, it won't be across a job site. It'll be climbing onto a trailer after decades of standing still. I'll see you in the next episode.